Hello, and we are now in the fourth video of a series on how to do the Excel analysis for the GB-304 labs of January 25th through 27th. In this fourth video, we'll be taking our style variable once again, which is a nominal variable with three categories to it, and we would like to make a bar chart out of it. In the last video, we did a pie chart. Here's the results from the last video. And I'm just going to get rid of this pie chart completely. So click on it once and hit the delete key and it's gone. Now I want to do a bar chart. I'll highlight the same information I did for the pie chart, the categories and the counts. And let's go insert. Here's a bar chart is the horizontal bars, but let's do a column chart. Column, first one, and there we go. And again, we can clean this up somewhat. We really don't need a legend, so if you want to click on that once, you can hit the delete key. Click on, if you don't like grid lines, click on them once, hit the delete key. We have our three styles here, and this is a frequency count on the side here. Let's right-click anywhere on the bars and say Add Data Labels, and it gives us the actual count, so the frequency count for each label. Now we can also do a percent column chart. Let's see, we have these options up here again under design, so we can change the design layout. Let's try this first one here. That was the original. So I'm just looking at the different options we have. Okay, I guess none of these has given me a percent. Let's get rid of this whole thing and let's do this again. Let's highlight these labels and then skip over the column of counts and highlight the percents. To do that, hold down the control key while you highlight these percent values. Now let's do another column chart. Insert, column, first one. And now I have a percent scale on this axis. Right click on a bar, add labels, and it gives me the percents on the columns. Again, we can add a title, we can add axis labels and clean this up a little bit. I'll do that. I'm going to get rid of the grid lines. I'm going to rescale my y-axis, right click, format, and let's go to 0.45 or 45% by increments of 0.15, 15%. There we go, and I don't need to show that extra 0.0%, so let's format again. Right click on the axis, go to number, change decimal places to 0. Looks a little better. And let's add axis labels. Click on the graph once, go to layout, axis titles, horizontal, below the axis, and that will be our style. And then again, click on the graph, layout, axis titles, vertical, let's do rotated, and this will be percent. And we can add a title if we want, bar chart or column chart of the percent column chart of the style variable. Okay, and that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll be making just a table of descriptive statistics for our price variable.